Example 1.29. Test for the consistency of the following system of linear equations and if possible find the solution for x plus 2y minus z equal to 3, 3x minus y plus 2z equal to 1, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 3, x minus y plus z equal to minus 1. So here in this question we are asked to check the consistency of system of linear equations given. So to start with the solution, first we need to know how many number of unknowns are here. Here x, y, z are the three unknowns. So number of unknowns equal to 3. Then the given system of equations are of the form. So now this is of the form Ax equal to B, where A matrix is the coefficient matrix. Coefficient of first equation compromises the first row 1, 2, minus 1, and second row is 3, minus 1, 2. Third row is 1, minus 2, 3, and fourth row is 1, minus 1, 1. And your X matrix is X, Y, Z, the variables, and the B matrix is this one 3, 1, 3, minus 1. So first step is we need to write it this set of equations of the form Ax equal to B. Now we have to frame the augmented matrix AB. B matrix inside the A matrix is called augmented AB. So I have written it of this form. And now we have to apply Gauss elimination method to find out the rank of A as well as rank of AB. First row I have written like this. Now my aim is to make this place as 0. There it is 3. So this place has to be made 0. To make it 0, what is the change I need to do is R2 changes as R2 minus 3R1. So I have to multiply first row by 3 and then I have to subtract R2 with R1. So 3 minus 3 will give you 0. Minus 1 minus 6 will give you minus 7. Then next one is 2 plus 3 you will get 5. And here 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Now second row is over. Now coming to the third row, I have to make this place is also as 0. So I am changing R3 as R3 minus R1. That will give me 0 here. So 0 minus 2 is minus 4. 3 plus 1 is plus 4. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Same way I have to make this place as 0. So for that I am writing R4 as R4 minus R1. So 0 minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Then minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So this is how we have got the first step. Again from this, now I have to make this place as 0. So we are proceeding again. We are doing the elementary operation. There won't be any change in the first row. I am writing the first row as it is. And we don't have to change the second row also. So I am writing second row as it is. 5 minus 8. Now coming to the third row, I need to change this. So I am going to do the operation here. So now my R3 changes as R3 multiplied by 7 minus 4 R2. Then only I will get 7 4s are 28 here, and here I will get 4 into 7 28. Both are in the same sign, so I have to subtract. Obviously this place will be 0, and now we have made this place as 0. Coming to this one, 7 4s are 28. 28 minus 4 5s are 20. So you are getting 8. And next is 0 minus 4 minus 8 is 8 4s are 32. So plus 32. Coming to this place, again I need to make this place a 0. So I am writing R4 changes as, now I am taking R4 and R3. So 4R4 minus 3R3. This place has now become 0. Minus 3 into 4 minus 12, minus 3 into minus 4 plus 12. So this place becomes 0. And here it is 8 minus 12. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. And here it is minus 16. So we are getting this place as minus 16. Now if I see the third row and the fourth row, if I multiply this 8 or if I multiply this minus 4 into minus 2, I am getting this. Minus 16 into minus 2 gives 32. These both are multiple of each other. Again I have to do the operation to bring it to the echelon form. So 1, 2, minus 1, 3. 0, minus 7, 5, minus 8. 0, 0, 8, 32. Now I am changing my R4 as, R4 changes as R3 plus 2R4. So you will get 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this last equivalent matrix is in echelon form. So you have got zeros in this shape. Now this is in echelon form. So now here we need to see the rank of AB as well as rank of A. So rank of AB is equal to, on the whole if I see, number of non-zero rows is 1, 2, 3. Last row is fully 0, so that is not counted here. Rank of A, if I see, hide the last column. So this is A matrix alone. For this also rank is number of non-zero rows 1, 2 and 3. So I have got rank of A to be 3. Rank of AB is equal to rank of A is equal to 3. Therefore, the system of equations are consistent. Now we have found the system to be consistent. Now we need to find out the solution. To find out the solution, now we have to write this in the equation form again. Actually this is coefficient of x, this is coefficient of y, and this is coefficient of z. So when I write it in the equation format, we will get x plus 2y minus z equal to 3 and minus 7y plus 5z equal to minus 8. 8z is equal to 32 and last is 0z equal to 0. So 0 equal to 0. This is what we are getting from the last equivalent matrix. Now we need to solve this. So to solve this, we have to start with the third equation. What is given here? 8z is equal to 32. So what is z now? 32 by 8. 8 fours are 32. Value of z is equal to 4. Substitute this value of z in the second equation. So we will get minus 7y plus 5z is equal to minus 8. In this, if I substitute, I will get minus 7y plus 20 equal to minus 8. Minus 7y is equal to minus 8 plus 20. So minus 7y is equal to 12. Plus 20, when it comes to the other side, it will become minus 20. So here we are getting minus 28. Value of y is equal to minus 28 by minus 7, which is equal to 4. So y value is equal to 4. Now we need to find out value of x. To find the value of x, substitute value of z and y in first equation. So x plus 2y minus z equal to 3. X alone we don't know. 2 into 4 minus 4 equal to 3. X is equal to 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 4, 4. When 4 goes to the other side, minus 4. So 3 minus 4, minus 1. This is the value of x. Therefore, the solution is x comma y comma z is equal to minus 1 comma 4 comma 4. To verify, if you substitute these values in any of the 4 given equation, the equation will get satisfied. So we can come to know that our answer is right. This is how we have to find out the solution using Gauss elimination method.